Having a ceramic coated vehicle is awesome. It's super durable, super glossy, and super hydrophobic. And if done right, it makes your vehicle have a radiant glow to the paint and it looks wet even when it's dry. Just like anything else in life though, if you don't maintain it, it's not going to last the way that you want it to. So today, we're going to show you guys the best chemicals, practices, and methods to use to keep your ceramic coated vehicle looking brand new and lasting a really long time. So one question that we always get is, can I just rinse my vehicle off with straight water? The answer to that is no, you cannot. When you use straight water and it dries on the surface, you're going to leave water spots behind. And in them water spots are minerals and impurities that are going to eventually etch into the coating as well as the clear coat of your vehicle. The only way to fix it is to repolish it and recoat it. So the only time you should ever be rinsing your vehicle down is when you're actually going to wash it with soap and water and then dry it afterwards. If you guys don't have a climate controlled shop like this, you're always going to want to start with the wheels and tires. If you're working outside on a big body SUV like this and you wash the paint first, it's going to have way too much time to dry and you're going to get water spots on it. So to avoid that, just start with the wheels and tires and finish with the paint work. And the chemicals we're going to use on these are from Shine Supply. These work really well for our customers, so we carry these in the front lobby for you guys to buy. We're going to use the Cool Guy, which is an iron removing wheel cleaner on the wheels. This is going to break down all that brake dust that gets built up on there. And we're going to use Wise Guy on the tires as well as the wheel liners. This is dilutable, so it makes about double what this is right here. So now that we're done with the wheels and tires, we're going to address this road film and all this dirt on the paint. If you guys see, there's a distinct line right from where the wheel well is, and this is all road film from dirt, debris, salt. It is wintertime here in Pennsylvania, getting built up on the paint. So if you leave this sitting on there for a long time, eventually it's going to clog and contaminate the coating. And I want to show you guys right now with the pressure washer just what that looks like with a dirty vehicle. So you can see the water's just sticking to the paint. That's because there's so much film on there, the coating can't work the way it's supposed to. This is where routine, regular, simple hand washes is going to prevent this from happening, and it's going to keep your coating lasting a lot longer. So if there's one thing that you should take away from this video, it's that just hand washing your vehicle is the best maintenance that you can do on any coated or uncoated vehicle. And then right here, we got two buckets. One has our wash mitts as well as our soap in it. So there's soap and water in here. This one is just straight water. And at the bottom of them, we got grit guards on them. So whenever we wash one panel, we'll flip to the back side of the wash mitt, wash the next panel, and we'll bring that dirty wash mitt over to this bucket and then rub it against the grit guard, get it all cleaned out, and that's going to prevent you taking this dirt from this door panel and just moving it around the entire vehicle, just lowering the chance of putting any swirls in your paint, especially if you got a black vehicle. You know how difficult that can be. And whenever you guys are washing your vehicle, always start from the top, so the roof, the hood, any flat panels, and work your way towards the bottom. Make sure you're going in straight lines. That way you're not putting any swirls in the paint by dragging the microfiber in circular motions. And now on to drying the vehicle, you're either going to use a microfiber towel or a blower if you have it. If you're using a towel, make sure it's a nice plush one. Don't use a bath towel for this. We're going to take some of our maintenance detail spray, spritz the towel a few times, and then we can just go into drying. That detail spray is going to add some lubrication between the towel and the paint, and it's also going to leave a light layer of protection behind on top of that ceramic coating. And the easiest way to dry a ceramic coated vehicle is if you have a blower, you can use this and it'll blow everything off a lot quicker. If you don't have something detailing specific like this, you can use an air compressor or even a leaf blower works really well for this. We just got done drying this thing and it looks like we spent hours detailing it and waxing it. That's the whole beauty of a ceramic coating. It's meant to give you that high gloss shine after just a simple hand wash, and you don't have to constantly reapply products like waxes to the paint. You're going to get this shine the entire life of the coating. This coating is rated for 5 years, and as long as this coating is maintained and washed on a regular basis, the customer is going to get that full 5-year period out of it. If this car is parked underneath a tree every day, it gets bird poop, tree sap, and other things built up on the paint, and it never gets washed off, or road film builds up down here and it never gets cleaned, the coating is not going to last. But just like with anything else, the longer you want it to last, the more you have to maintain it and keep up with it.